Hi, greetings of the day. Are you planning to register your own NGO, or are you planning to start your own society, charitable trust, any organization, foundation, and you are seeking the legal documentation like registration and certification? Then right, I can help you for this. And till now, I have completed more than 300 NGO registrations and their documentation part, like whatever the documents required for the smooth operations, I have delivered them within 15 days. So if you need any NGO kind of NGO registration, society registration, trust, club or foundation registration, then I can help you for that definitely. Within the less time, within the less like minimum cost, I can deliver you that task, and I can complete and finish your that task if you offer me. So if you are planning to start your own NGO or the society or any kind of seeking the registration part or any kind of company you want to incorporate, then definitely we can help you for this. If you like to offer me that task, I will be glad to assist you on that. Thank you so much.